You understand English, but when you try to speak, your mind goes blank. Not because you do not know the words, but because you are translating every sentence in your head. That one habit is slowing you down and breaking your confidence. Here is the truth. If you keep translating, you will always hesitate while speaking. But once you start thinking in English, your speech becomes fast, clear, and natural. Most people think fluency comes from learning more vocabulary or grammar. But that is not what actually makes you a confident speaker. The real problem is the habit of translating before speaking. This habit makes your brain work harder than it should. Instead of speaking naturally, you are constantly converting sentences in your mind. That is why you feel stuck, even when you know the words. Fluent speakers do not translate. They think directly in English, and that is exactly what you are going to learn today. Why translation is killing your fluency. When you translate in your head, your brain is doing double work every time you speak. First, you create the sentence in your native language, and then you try to convert it into English. This process is slow and mentally exhausting. Instead of focusing on communication, your mind is busy converting words and structures. That is what creates pressure and confusion while speaking. Because of this delay, your speech becomes unnatural and broken. You pause frequently, search for the right words, and lose your flow in the middle of a sentence. Even if you know the correct words, you cannot use them quickly. This makes your speaking sound hesitant and uncertain, which affects your confidence during conversations. Now think about real conversations. People speak at a normal speed, and they expect quick responses. But your brain is still stuck in translation mode. By the time you form your sentence, the moment has already passed. This is why you feel left behind or unable to keep up in group conversations. Another major problem is that translation is not always accurate. Many ideas from your native language do not have a direct match in English. So, you either say something that sounds unnatural or you keep thinking without speaking. Both situations make you feel uncomfortable and reduce your confidence over time. Let us take a simple example. You want to say something basic, but you first think of it in your native language and then try to translate it. During this process, you start doubting your grammar and word choice. That doubt slows you down even more, and your sentence loses its natural flow. Over time, this habit trains your brain in the wrong way. Instead of thinking directly in English, your mind becomes dependent on translation. You start believing that speaking English is difficult, even though you understand it well. The real problem is not your knowledge. It is the way your brain is trained to respond. There is also another hidden problem with translation. It keeps your thinking limited to familiar sentence patterns from your native language. Because of that, your English sounds repetitive and less natural. You struggle to express new ideas freely, even if you have the vocabulary. Fluent speakers do not build sentences this way. They think in simple ideas and express them instantly without translating. That is why their speech sounds smooth and confident. Once you break the translation habit, you will notice that speaking becomes faster, easier, and much more natural. How to start thinking in English? The first step to stop translating is simple, but most people ignore it. You need to stop thinking in full sentences and start thinking in small ideas. Fluent speakers do not build long sentences in their mind first. They think in short chunks and speak them instantly, which makes their speech faster and more natural. For example, Instead of forming a complete sentence in your native language and then translating it, break your thought into small parts. Think something like, I need water, or I am tired, directly in English. These small ideas are easier for your brain to process. This is how you begin building a direct connection between your thoughts and English. The second step is to use your surroundings as practice. Look around and describe things in English inside your mind. You can think, this is my phone, the room is quiet, or I am sitting on a chair. This simple habit trains your brain to think in English without depending on translation. At the beginning, it may feel slow or uncomfortable. That is completely normal because your brain is used to translating. But as you continue practicing, your thinking speed will improve. Within a few days, you will start noticing that thoughts come directly in English. Another effective method is self-talk. Try to describe your daily actions in English while you are doing them. For example, think, I am opening my laptop, or I am going outside now. This builds a strong habit of forming thoughts directly in English in real time. Do not focus on perfect grammar during this stage. Your main goal is to build flow and comfort while thinking. Fluency comes from being able to express ideas quickly, not from making perfect sentences. When you stop overthinking, your mind becomes more relaxed and responsive. You can also use common phrases to make thinking easier. Simple starters like, I think, I feel, I need, or I want, help you form sentences faster. These patterns reduce the effort required to speak and make your communication smoother. The key idea is to train your brain to connect thoughts directly with English instead of your native language. The more you practice this daily, the easier it becomes. Slowly, you will stop translating, and thinking in English will start feeling natural. Daily practice to make it automatic. Now that you know how to start thinking in English, the next step is to make it automatic. This only happens with daily practice. You do not need hours of study. You just need consistent small efforts throughout the day. The goal is to train your brain repeatedly until thinking in English becomes natural. Start with short practice sessions. Give yourself 5 to 10 minutes where you only think in English. During this time, do not allow your mind to switch back to your native language. Even if your thoughts are simple, keep them in English. This focused practice helps your brain build a new habit faster. One powerful technique is mental narration. Whatever you are doing, describe it in your mind in English. If you are walking, think, I am walking to the store. If you are eating, think, this food tastes good. This keeps your brain active and continuously practicing without extra effort. Another useful habit is question and answer practice. Ask yourself simple questions in English and answer them immediately. For example, what am I doing right now? Or, what will I do next? This forces your brain to think quickly and respond without translating. You can also use idle time for practice. Moments like waiting, traveling, or sitting alone are perfect opportunities. Instead of scrolling on your phone, use that time to think in English. These small moments add up and make a big difference over time. Do not worry if you make mistakes in your thoughts. Nobody can hear them, so this is your safe space to practice freely. The more relaxed you are, the faster your brain learns. Confidence grows when you allow yourself to think without pressure. Another important point is repetition. Use the same simple sentences again and again until they feel natural. Repeating basic structures strengthens your thinking speed. Once your brain becomes comfortable, you will automatically start creating new sentences. If you stay consistent with these small habits every day, your brain will slowly switch its default language to English. At first, it will feel like effort, but after some time, it will feel normal. That is the moment when you realize you are no longer translating. You are simply thinking and speaking. Common mistakes you must avoid. One of the biggest mistakes people make is trying to think in perfect English from the beginning. They focus on grammar, sentence structure, and correctness while thinking. This creates pressure and slows down the entire process. Instead of building flow, they get stuck trying to be perfect. Another common mistake is giving up quickly. Many learners try thinking in English for a day or two, feel uncomfortable, and stop. But this discomfort is part of the process. Your brain is learning a new pattern, and it needs time to adjust. If you quit early, you never allow that change to happen. Some people also depend heavily on translation apps or mentally checking every sentence. They think something in English, then quickly translate it back to their native language to confirm it. This habit keeps the translation loop active. If you keep checking like this, your brain will never learn to trust English directly. Overloading yourself with difficult words is another problem. Many learners believe using advanced vocabulary will make them fluent faster. But complex words slow down your thinking and make you hesitate more. Simple and clear language is always better when you are building fluency. Another mistake is not practicing in real-life situations. Thinking in English only during study time is not enough. If you switch back to your native language for the rest of the day, progress becomes slow. You need to bring this habit into your daily life for it to become natural. Many people also ignore consistency. They practice one day, skip the next few days, and then start again. This breaks the learning process. Your brain needs regular repetition to build a strong habit. Even a few minutes daily is more effective than long but irregular practice. The last mistake is being afraid of making mistakes in your thoughts. Because of this fear, people stop themselves from thinking freely. But thinking is your private space. You can experiment, make errors, and improve without any judgment. This freedom is what helps you grow faster. Now you know the real reason you struggle while speaking. It is not your vocabulary or grammar. It is the habit of translating in your head. And the moment you start thinking directly in English, everything begins to change. Your speed improves, your confidence grows, and speaking starts to feel natural. But remember, this will not happen in one day. You need to practice these simple methods daily and stay consistent. Even a few minutes of focused thinking in English can completely change the way your brain works over time. So from today, make one decision. Stop translating and start thinking in English, even if it feels uncomfortable at first. That small shift is what will take you from understanding English to actually speaking it fluently. If this changed the way you see your English, consider hitting subscribe and staying connected for more. If you found this helpful, a like really supports the content and helps it reach more people. You can share this with someone who understands English but still struggles to speak naturally. Try writing one simple sentence in English in the comments, without translating, just your thoughts. If you want to keep improving step by step, turn on the bell icon so you do not miss what comes next. Thank you for watching and putting in the effort to improve.